Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys power button to end call setting guys, how to on. Friends, you want to on guys your phone power button to end call setting. So how to on and how to use it. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo phone. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on additional setting. After on friends additional setting friends, you can see this type interface on your device. Friends, language setting you want to change. Friends, you want to change your phone date and time, so you can change from here. Friends, click on accessibility setting. Friends, you want to on talk back. Friends, you can on talk back from here. Friends, you want to on magnification setting. So friends, you can see after on magnification shortcut friends, we can zoom on our screen. So guys, we will off it. Friends, you want to use color correction friends, you can use color correction friends. You can see high contrast text friends, you want to on, so you can on and you can off it. So friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see switch as a setting is on. Friends, you want to off, so you can off from here. Friends, press power button to end calls. So when you will on, and friends you want to cut your call, so you must just friends click on your power button and guess your call will cut. So friends, you can use your power button to call setting here. Press power button to end call. And friends, you don't want to use, you can off from here. So guys, now you cannot cut your phone calls. Press power button. So friends, direct click on phone setting guys, here power setting. And friends, you can see power setting as power saving mode, schedule power on enough time. As you can see, press power button and call setting as direct. Friends, you can on the setting and you can off from here guys. You want to use, you can on and you can off from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.